how did you get these internships?
Network, all of them through network. One of the first one through people that I had met at the recruitment fair in Montreal, knowing someone in France and putting me in touch. And the second one being same thing. A friend of mine did a entrepreneurship recruitment fair, and I did meet a partner in a VC firm, and we just hit it off.
And tell me a little bit about specifically like that networking. It doesn't sound like you were using LinkedIn heavily at this stage or anything like that. It was much more like the career fair angle and live personal connections and potentially friends.
Yes, I think that's right. I think I was starting to use LinkedIn, and I've always been, a big user of LinkedIn. So early on, I used it. It definitely helped to map out options and also to get a sense of what people were doing to get into those roles. I think, especially when you don't have the background, like you have also Oasis today, which I think is a good platform to get that sort of insight. But at the time, I think, LinkedIn did tell you, oh, people who did this then went on to do that. So it feels like this is a good platform. So I did use a bit of this, but of course, the best connections remain in-person connections and fairs when people are actually, legitimately coming to campus to hire are the best positions you can have.
And they're not like, did you feel like they were super competitive though? Or how did you like make that connection such that like it actually translated to an internship? Because it's like, I guess the first one, it sounds like somebody back home knew somebody and they kind of put in a good word for you.
Yeah, there was a fair amount of hustling, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear about. That's what I want to hear about, that like angling and hustling.
It's you present yourself. I was one of the only kids at McGill, and people made fun of me at the time, who printed his own business cards, and there's not much to say on it.
You were that guy. Okay.